St. Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtrau Ribhoi District menta kasingi kalapanlong ya kajing elang Pynkup Burom ya sau pusan Ngut ki Samla Pule ki bala Pyndep ya kajing Pule General Nursing and Midwifery GNM jung senam arhajar arpoar hadu arposan ya kate kajing elang Pynkup Burom lani graduation day lapanlong ha CFI Center Nonglum Ribhoi District Hakabalawan Bansakhi lang da James PK Sangma MP Raja Sabha rengkat kajing dan lang uba HM Shangpliang advisor ketenat Pule Puthi ke Khuborjylla uba AL Hek advisor ba director ke St. Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtrau ka Kong Lucy Warba principal ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts College of Nursing ka Kong Iban Rilin Rani principal St. Joseph Academy of Nursing kinong hikai ki kimi ki bat ki Samla Pule kita ki Samla Pule kita ki kan hon ba arjang kate ka shlam ajing hikai ki bala poisha ka thong jang ka jing Pule ha ka ba ka jing job jang ki kala long ru ka dak jang ka jing trai shitom bat ka jing ai ne ha kaliang ka jing Pule ha kate ka singi ki bor penya jang ka shlam Pule ki la Pynkup Burom mi kita ki sau pusan Ngut ki Samla da ka ba IT ya ki momento kom ka dak ka jing itho ya ka jing job jang ki
I request everyone to kindly rise up as
study and finally we are free, but we still have to listen and sit and go through this convocation ceremony. So trust me, we won't take much time. I won't take much time. You guys can enjoy this really wonderful moment. This moment where all your struggles have been made worth it, and you can really enjoy this special day with your faculty members, your teachers, to whom you owe everything, and also with your parents who have sacrificed so much to send you to this very prestigious institution where finally you are at a threshold in your life. This is, I know, a very special moment, and I speak to the graduating students because the day I graduated, there were a lot of mixed feelings going on in my mind. Of course, there's this feeling of excitement that, wow, I'm going to be starting something new. I'm going to be independent from now onwards. Break free from all the shackles of parenting and all that. And at the same time, in that excitement also, there was this feeling of uncertainty. And I'm sure that you will have that mixed feeling. That feeling of excitement, yet that feeling of uncertainty as to what is the future going to hold for me. That's a very natural thing. And all I would like to say to you is that God has mysterious ways of working in our lives. And I think as you step into this unknown, this new, exciting future, always remember to always remember our God, our Lord in your prayers, that He may guide you, especially in this very challenging profession of yours. We've heard our previous speakers who've mentioned Sir Hek, Bahima and Madam Arba about how noble this profession is. It is indeed a very noble profession, and along with all that nobility also comes a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifice. I think that the nobility from this profession is something that only after going through the crucible of service that nobility emerges. I was reading somewhere during the COVID time, when I was also the health minister of Meghalaya at that time. I read somewhere in the papers about one particular nurse and really stood out for me because she was from the northeast. And she is this nurse who's working in this very small hospital in Nagaland. And she would be completing her 18-hour of grueling shift because COVID days were really such a tough time on everyone, especially caregivers like the nurses. And she had children, and she would just go back home after a grueling 18-hour shift. And all she could do, although she wanted to go and hug her kids after being so tired and exhausted and tell them everything is okay, but yet she couldn't. She had to just wave at them. And this went for 7-8 months where she could not really go and spend quality time with her children whom she loved so much. And that really shows where that nobility comes from. And you all are so lucky today to be part of this, such a noble profession.
To achieving the highest standards throughout the program. The next award is the Best Academic Student Award of the batch. The blue, thank you.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Throw it in the air. Yeah.